Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2018 and I'm joined by Alejandro Carillo from InterLatin. Thanks for joining me, Alex. Always a pleasure to chat. Give me an update on what's going on with InterLatin. The market in Mexico just seems to be going from strength to strength.
Yes, first, I think the rules of the game in the Mexico industry are changing. We, no matter what, we still have very high demand, and we have labor shortages because of macroeconomics, and we have more and more new companies, small companies coming up by Mexican guys, and then we also have the competition. I mean, the productivity issue that we really want to tackle. And so the new rules of the games are automation, connectivity, Industry 4.0. Okay, and for this, many things are happening. You know, there's a lot of companies talking to us about training on how to design complete lines, automatic lines, not people lines.
Yeah.
And so this is great. This is very new, it's very refreshing, and I think we're working very hard to figure out and have the right strategy to really help Mexico.
Yeah, and to support those people. And you talked about the new innovation companies, the Mexican companies, but you're also seeing lots of even more large brands, large OEMs coming into Mexico, and the supply chain getting thicker around automotive and other sectors.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, there's lots going on there. So when you look at the whole smart connected factory, you're in quite a nice position. You represent different parts of the line. You represent software. You've worked in consultancy and other industries. You're able to give an overview. How important is that for the customer for you to almost be a consultant to them?
It is very important. Everyone has a project in mind, or they working on projects. However, you know, it's easy to put a project and to think about the project, but we really need to get our act together, and we need to help our customers to do a very successful implementation, you know, to be really able to compete on a global basis.
Yeah, absolutely. And
we, as an example, we took a new machine, a 3D printing machine to Las Vegas, CES Las Vegas. We're developing a new model for augmented reality for Hanover. And so, yeah, we really want to invest in these new technologies because it will benefit us and will benefit our customers and will benefit Mexico.
Yeah, and that's really important for you to get involved in innovation to fill in those gaps when you need to do that. The last thing I wanted to ask you was about the Innovations Forum that's coming up in Guadalajara. You are very actively participating in the first one. We had a nice audience there.
Yes.
How important is it to have those kind of focused events where you can really bring all that talent together on one day?
Very, very important in my opinion, because it really opens our minds, you know. We can get together, we can talk about new things coming, things that are happening, and as an example, because of the Innovation Forum last year, there's more and more inquiries about new technologies. We have this company asking us about what if we design seminars, you know, for line design.
Yeah.
Very successful companies, really taking a look in Mexico.
Okay, that's really exciting. Alejandro, thanks for stopping by to chat. Look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks in Guadalajara. Thank you.
Yeah, great. Thank you.